This drink is called a green fly. It involves vodka, white cream to mint, and green cream to mint. Let's get started. We'll take our shaker glass, fill it with ice, and as always, if you're making something in a cocktail or martini glass, you want to try to chill that while you're making your drink. Now it calls for 3 parts of vodka and 1 part of the white and green cream to mint. We're going to use 1.5 ounces of vodka and 1/2 ounce of the rest. So let's do a free pour with our vodka. One count per 1/4 ounce, 1.5 ounces, 6 count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. And then we're going to use our jigger for other ingredients. Now, whoever created this drink, I don't know if they knew, there is no real difference between white cream to mint and green cream to mint other than the color. So since this is called a green fly, you do want to have the green cream to mint. But if you don't have the white cream to mint, just double up the portion of your green. So let's use 1/2 ounce of the white. Perhaps they didn't want to run out of their green cream to mint, so they decided to mix them both together. There we go. Now let's give this a good shake. Nice green cocktail. I think it's St. Paddy's Day or something. Maybe you're Irish. That is a green fly. Down the hatch.